Good morning. This is Patrick McCullough, forecaster here at the National Weather Service office in San Angelo. Look at the upcoming forecast for west central Texas. Again, we're really going to focus on the next 24 to 36 hours across the area. But the big news, of course, being a strong cold front that has pushed through the area this morning, bringing very cold conditions for tonight. In fact, that's where we'll start, is the possible freeze or frost conditions across much of the area for later on tonight. Again, that surface high pressure is going to build into the area. Winds will become fairly light tonight. Clear skies, kind of perfect conditions for a very cold night in store for west central Texas. And by late tonight into sunrise Tuesday morning, we're going to be looking at temperatures falling into the low to mid 30s, pretty much area wide. Again, some of the colder spots will be our normal low-lying areas around Junction, Llano River Valley, around San Angelo, of course, by the lake, and over toward Lake Brownwood. Again, these are our spots that normally are a few degrees colder anyway. In those areas, we're calling for a very light freeze, 30 to 32 degrees. Up in the hills, up toward Sweetwater, where temperatures normally run a degree or two warmer, again, we're probably talking mid-30s. But in any case, we're talking about a frost or a light freeze area-wide by sunrise Tuesday morning. Again, these are kind of a near-perfect condition setting up across the area. If the winds stay up just a little bit, or if a little bit of cloud cover comes into the area, then we may have to boost those temperatures just up a few degrees. But for right now, I'd be prepared for a light freeze or a little bit of frost by sunrise Tuesday morning. Again, we'll bounce back to what we have going on out there today across the area. Again, that front has now pushed through the area. Strong north winds going to be blasting through the area for much of the morning hours, beginning to decrease by later in the afternoon. Much colder conditions as well. So you combine those high temperatures today in the mid to upper 50s across much of the area, maybe around 60 down toward Junction, with strong north winds, and it's going to be a brisk day across the area. So clouds across much of the area this morning as well is going to make things feel even colder. Although I think we'll start to see some sunshine by later on this afternoon. So again, a return to something a little more winter-like for one day here in April, before the warming trend starts to kick in for tomorrow. More sunshine tomorrow, light south winds returning, and high temperatures climbing well into the 60s. So, one day of cold before we start to see spring return across the area. Thank you, and we'll continue to keep you updated.